Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna try to make a field generator or a field or farm generator, for example, that's gonna auto generate for us and respawn it again. So yeah, like the one in the mining simulator, but I don't know. Anyway, let's start. So first I'm gonna see so what the condition is just the part should be the parent of a model called form. That's the real condition right there, but we can have some other stuff, like let's just leave just one. Okay, so what we're gonna add to every snow block, that we're gonna add some values like how much damage it needed for destroying this thing. Like, you know what, let's try integer value. Well, let's look for the starter pack shovel, core, I guess. Yeah, core. So we're gonna do some damage. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna call it damage needed. Like, this is the damage that's gonna be needed. For example, let's do 1, and like it should, this tool, it should like destroy it in 5 hits because its damage is 0.1. So but we need to do some calculations here where it is. Wait, cooldown, not this. First damage here. Well, we should actually wait. Let's go to the handler scripts. I guess in here, yeah, in here, handler. There we go. It's in here. Scale. Well, we're just gonna add for it that it should just damage, like just decrease this damage. Well, if object dot damage dot value let's wait a second, or we have it here already, so we don't need that thing here right now. Actually, mouse dot target dot size dot y greater than or equal damage size dot y are greater than or equal damage. So it doesn't gonna do the maybe this thing here, I guess. Well, I'm disturbed right now. I don't have a plan, like. Well, actually, let's just make the generator first. That's gonna generate for us. So I'm gonna make a new script. Gonna call this, by the way, I'm gonna delete this farm model that we made, and here I'm gonna do, well, while maybe not, I'm just gonna do for I equal to 0, or x actually equal to 0 comma 5 blocks, I get 10 blocks, comma 1 do, and for z equal to 0 comma 10 comma 1 do, and the y, I guess it's 1.5 maybe, I'm not sure, you know, just leave it right there. And here I should make a new part, local part equal new instance dot new part, and then part dot size equal to, gonna do block size here, equal to vector 3 dot not from axis dot new. Let's choose 4,4,4, and so I guess here it could be 2. So yeah, part dot size equal to block size that we've made here, and part dot material, let's do, actually I'm gonna make a dictionary here. I'm gonna do block equal to, and here I'm gonna make a dictionary. So you're gonna see how size equal to vector 3.new 4,4,4, and here you can just do block and open this brackets and do size, and I guess it should give you this. Maybe this should work too, I'm not sure. Let's see, maybe this should work too. Expected identifier, okay. So yeah, size and material equal to snow. Okay, I forgot the comma here, and comma here maybe. So yeah, first let's do block material, but okay, I see I could not do that, so we cannot convert it into a string anyway, so just convert this stuff into strings so the dictionary gonna work well. So yeah, let's see. Okay, part dot material equal block material. Now what we need, part dot import equal to true, and part dot can collide equal to false. And now we can set the part C frame equal to vector 3 dot new x comma y comma z multiplied by block size. Okay, let's try. Actually, I should do a wait here maybe. Okay, let's see. I didn't parented it yet, so I should in the first like make a model first. So I'm gonna make here a local model equal, wait, just to be organized. Local model equal instance dot new model dot name equal to game dot workspace, not game dot workspace, let's call it field, I guess. Actually let's just call it farm right now, and model dot parent gonna parent it into the workspace. Well, this should this 3 lines of code should make a model and put it into the workspace, and make sure to name it farm. So yeah, and then we are declaring here some variables that are for the blocks, and like block appearance, and here we're generating. So I'm just gonna put a weight here, a little weight here, and then you're gonna run to see what's gonna happen. Ouch, I forgot again to parent it. So I'm gonna make sure to parent it. Part.parent equal to game, not game. I'm gonna parent it into the model that we just created. So maybe this should work. Well, let's see what's going on here. It doesn't generate anything. Oh, C frame expected got vector 3. Okay, so you just should cframe.new and open parentheses and close it here. I guess this should work. Okay, there is another thing. What's going on here? 10 expected here. Ouch. I need for this right now. Actually, right, no. So I'm just gonna go to the core, I guess, not the handler, and I'm just gonna comment this for now, so it doesn't gonna make for us problems, because we didn't complete it yet. Well, let's see if it generates it or not. I see like something here. Wait. There is some parts, but it's transparent. Why? Oh, the material, I guess, didn't know what's material, I guess. But where's the snow? Oh, it's sand. Sorry, there's no material called snow. Well, anyway, gonna do material equal to sand, and I'm gonna add another property called brick color equal to wait, white, and this should do it, I guess. Wait, block material, and I'm gonna add here part.brick color equal to block brick color. By the way, I'm gonna do something. Wait, just because I have a touchpad and I can't zoom in, so I just made a script that could zoom in for me, I guess. Well, let's try. I'm not sure how to do it. Well, anyway, let's run. I guess there's gonna be a problem. Yeah, I'm stupid. Wait, brick color, like new. There's another problem with the. Oh. I forgot comma again. Let's run. Okay, finally. So as you see, it's generated, and inside a model called form, and it's 10 by 10. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I know why this too, because just could do one here. It's gonna be 10 by 10. So I'm just gonna do another dictionary, maybe zone equal to, gonna give it a size equal to vector3.new. Actually not vector3, gonna give it just vector2 because it's just a plan, it doesn't have a y-axis. So yeah, vector2.new, gonna give it 20, for example, by 20, and here I'm gonna change 10 by zone size dot x, and I'm gonna copy this and pass it in the place of 10 and change it into into y. So let's run how it's gonna go. Maybe this could not be obvious for you. It's a little bit hard. So as you see, the generation is 20, 12, 20, yeah, 20 by 20. As you see, it generated it. Cool. Now we could add our values to it. I'm just gonna do it in another, actually never mind, no need to it. So I'm just gonna do it here, local, wait, not here, local damage equal to instance.new integer value and damage dot value. So let's do block. Let's come to block here. Not actually. So we have two choices here. We could do a random number from minimum into maximum, and we could do a constant value. So if you want a constant value, then just set it here, like just like that. If you want a random value, you could do math.random, not random, and here you're gonna do minimum and the second parameter maximum. Well, I'm gonna do 0.1 as minimum and 1 as maximum, but we're gonna have some problems here. Math.random just like return an integer value, and here we have integer value, so we're gonna change this into number value, so it supports the decimal numbers. And here math.random generates an integer value too, so this doesn't gonna work like that. So we could do 1, 10, and then we could like divide it by 10. So if it chooses 1, then it's gonna be 0.1, and if it chooses 10, it's gonna be 1, because 10 divided by 10 is gonna give 1. So that fixed it, because math.random just give integer value between the minimum and the maximum values that you've given it. Well, should be good, and I should parent the damage into our part, go to part, and let's run. So let's see the model part. As you see, every block has a part. As you see, like this one have a damage of 0.4, but we have a problem here that the value not name it like damage. As you see, they are not the same. This has 0.5 and this 0.4, this 0.59, also 0.6. well, anyway, damage.parent, and I should make sure to name it name equal to tmg. By the way, if you've seen, I parent the stuff until I finish its editing its properties, and that actually helps a little bit in performance, because you're working on like not in the workspace, so it doesn't interact with the world, and then when you change it, like it has something with the rendering and physics and stuff. Anyway, so let's run it. So we run. Anyway, it's working now, it should be working. Well, now we should fix our shovel. First, by the way, we should configure this thing. So if object dot damage dot value minus so I'm gonna request the tool that the player has. I'm gonna request it here. So yeah, and here we have the tool, but how we can access the damage value. So we should add some values here. Well, how we could do that, I'm just gonna add a folder here and call it stats of the shovel, and now we need to enter some values right there. So I'm gonna have a number value, a decimal value, and I'm gonna call it damage, and I'm gonna have another value. I'm gonna call it, I just did Control D to duplicate, and I'm gonna call it cooldown, and I guess this is it for now. Maybe, well, damage, let's give it like 0.2, and cooldown, let's give it 0.5 for now. So core, and here I'm gonna change it by, first I'm gonna do a stats folder, a variable like tool.stats, damage equal to stats dot damage, and here's stat dot damage dot value, and there cooldown stat dot damage, not the damage dot cooldown, so stats dot cooldown dot value, cool can shovel equal to true, collect, what does collect, collect, no need for this collect, I guess. So here where we should maybe do our calculation that we needed. Yep, here. So we should do it here, I guess. Dot not value plus collect. Well, I should make sure there's a mouse target, and the mouse target, well, I'm gonna do Control X for this. So I want it to be in a condition here, there, and I'm gonna tap this. Okay, so I'm gonna be safe right now here. I'm just gonna get this to here. So let's do it here, and it's gonna be a little bit confusing for you, but that's it. Making games are not like easy. So local collect equal, so now what we should do actually is should get a fraction that we need to, not a fraction, a number that we need to subtract from the y size from the block of the block. So by using the damage value that we have here and the damage value that the block have, so I'm gonna get the damage of the block that it's needed to. So how I can do that, it's mouse.target, and mouse.target, actually I'm gonna set a variable block called block into the mouse.target and use it for everything there. So block mouse.target, I'm gonna change this into block. I'm just gonna do Control F and change for my and search for mouse.target. Well, there is block there. I'm gonna get this and change it into block, and this to block, and this to block. well, not here destroy, just gonna do transparent. So actually just destroy it for now. By the way, we didn't added the respawn yet. Well, we're gonna add it later. So now block mouse the target, collects block dot damage, so dot dmg dot value divided by damage. I guess maybe this could work as needed. So what you have here, we have 0.2, right? And in the blocks we could have 0.1 into, okay, well, I'm gonna do a math dot minimum, not here, math dot minimum, this, or block damage dot dmg dot value. Okay, I guess, well, okay, so run, maybe, wait, let's see the handler what they do, like size from top. I guess I did this there, wait, that's too confusing. If gy.snow.value plus collect can travel equal to false. So we actually don't need to do this here, maybe. I'm gonna mind this in a little bit and back to you. Never mind, let's just try and see what's gonna happen. It starts to be confusing, as you see. Well, and this is in the air. Anyway, let's try. Boom, it's working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Anyway, let's just go on. Nice. Cool. It's working, I guess. Well, let me see something. Trouble, stats, damage. So we could do 0.2 damage, and this could go into 1 damage need. So at maximum it should be 5, but as you see, it's a lot. By the way, what happened to the backpack? I don't know. Well, maybe something in the calculation. But I'm just gonna get this math.min and delete it and go into block damage play. Maybe I should do damage divided by the block damage. No. Well, I guess damage divided by block.dmg.value. Well, I hope this works. Don't think so, but let's see. Oh, by the way, wait. Wait a second. block destroy, let's add fire server collect with cooldown. I got it. Well, here we should do collect. And by the way, it should has every block anyway. I'm just gonna do one for now. Let's play. Maybe I should do some editing there. Okay, I spawned 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Maybe there could be something about this here, this integer values. Maybe I should get this into a number value. So let's try number value. No. Okay, let's play. Maybe this could be the problem, because it's integer value and it just rounding it 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Well, maybe I should do like this. One, two, 3 4 5. There we go. Cool, it's working right now. So that was the problem. By the way, let me just check the display. Anyway, I'm not sure what was the problem, but anyway, we fixed it right now at least. Well, that was so difficult to fix. So that was it for today. I'm too tired from this trying, but I'm gonna give you a bonus video like today, I guess. It's gonna be around some future, like I just learned it today. Not sure if it's gonna help you out, but it should. Anyway, bye for now. See you later.